Hi there, you've got a Mini Electric and you want to reset the trip computer each time so you can have efficiently your driving. You might want to know how many miles per kilowatt hour you're doing or something, and it's just fun because it's like a computer game, let's be honest, to get as good MPG or miles per kilowatt hour out of this EV as you can. So how do I reset every time? Because I want to see each time when I jump in the old car. Let's do it. Right folks, you've got a Mini Electric and you want to reset all your gubbins down here all the time. So what you do, click on here for Mini, then scroll down to driving information, click on there. There you've got trip computer, and then up here look, you can then press that there and that will allow you to reset the different things. So you can go in there and reset values, or you can go cancel. But here look, there's a little A there, so you can automatically update your trips every trip, and that means you'll get up-to-date information then. So when I come to my home menu and I like to have this data here, it'll reset it all the time. But here's a sneaky little thing. Up here there's a little button you can press. You can press that puppy and it'll just do it anyway. But if you don't need to do that, you can do that gubbins which I just did. So that's a little tip there for you folks. Hope you enjoy that. Catch you on the Mini Schmini flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.